Hello friends, welcome to B9 Studios. Today we are going to talk about the VR Box 2.0. Let's get started.
Here is our VR Box 2.0. There was a user manual, a microfiber cloth, and a rubber pad in the package. In the front, there is a sliding door that opens a hole so the smartphone camera can access and interact using the real-world things. There is an elastic strap here. It is so comfortable. By the way, if you are not subscribed, subscribe and enable the bell icon.
Here is a nice and soft cushion that gives comfort to the face.
The lenses are adjustable using these things, sideways and back and forth. Here is a thing that can pull out for placing the smartphone. The build quality is not so good, but it's fine for 250 rupees.